Good morning. Today is the party in the school of Sisi, the first day. Now she take first the party and then we prepared her dress, this one. Okay? And this one is shoes. Okay? And tomorrow I think it's the start already for the school. And now she has only a party. Okay? Ayan na. It's a party in Sisi. Nice. It's nice. See? It's nice. Again, good morning, good morning, good morning to all Baghdad. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to subscribe me again. And laging keep safe para sa atin lahat, lalo na pag nagtrabaho, kaya nasa bahay lang. Nagtrabaho rin sa bahay. Kaya ingat-ingat lagi. God bless us all. Be happy.